we've been in many double trouble situations, troubles that we wish not to encounter anymore. We've also told the Lord and have given our best efforts. Lord, just to attain this prayer, I wish to do these days of prayer. Lord, para lang magawa mo o maging totoo itong milagrong ito sa buhay na ito, I will sacrifice this, I will pray this, I will go to this church, so on and so forth. But sometimes, our best efforts will be gone. But not to the point that our efforts are meaningless. But because all throughout, Jesus is just there standing near us, knowing what we need, knowing that we need to be well, telling us, nasa likod mo lang naman ako. Nandito lang ako. Dito pa lang sa puntong ito, okay ka na. Dito pa lang, sagot na kita. Dito pa lang, may milagro na.